How to Feed a Loon. I'm Chris.
And I'm Wesley.
My clammy loon.
Sometimes.
It's so clammy.
You know, after, it gets a little hot out, and you're like, oh, Lord.
Boy, am I clammy. I tell you one thing, he never clams up, that's for sure. So, guys and girls, we are making something great today.
Yes.
We're doing an appetizer.
And we're going retro.
We're going retro. This is perfect for the big game day.
Totally.
It's just so super. We can't believe it. We are making our
baked clam dip. That is like we're going back to the 60s.
Is it?
It's great. It
well,
is.
Okay. I guess
it's kind of
right.
like a tuna casserole.
Well,
you've got that.
Yeah. Well, in that retro kind of way.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Well, I think what it is, whenever you've had baked clams, if you've ever had baked clams, and there's that topping on top of it.
That breading
really
on there.
Breading top. This is what reminds me of that.
Oh,
it's
totally.
Like you're taking
it's
a
like
bite
the
out.
whole thing there.
Yeah.
And like a bunch of it.
It is, and it's delicious. Okay, so let's start off. We've got, as you see here, we've got a nice large skillet, and we've got some butter. Butter is what makes it better.
6 teaspoons?
6 tablespoons of good old unsalted butter. And I just melt that, and then we're going to add a cup of chopped onion, a cup of chopped red bell pepper. I love red bell pepper. And then a cup of chopped celery. And just cook that until it gets like this consistency. You just want it to be, nice and soft. And
a little translucent.
That's what it is. Okay. All right. Now, this is so easy. You can do this all in advance and then bake it, whenever you're ready.
And, you know what? And it's so good. And it's so good.
It's just so delicious.
People are going to just like, wow, you got so fancy here at the old game.
On the old big game day. I know. So here we've got the juice of 1 lemon.
The juice of a lemon.
That's probably going to be about 2 tablespoons. Okay. Now we've got I don't normally do canned stuff, but in this case it's perfectly fine. We've got a 6.5 ounce can of clams.
I wouldn't do this
clams.
dip any other way.
Right. No, it's good.
Yeah.
And you're going to want to include the juice here, okay? So don't drain it. And go ahead.
do something.
Please, that would be great.
Standing over here.
I know. Okay, and then we've got a tablespoon of just whatever your favorite hot sauce is. Don't worry, this does not make it overly hot. It just adds a little flavor to it. And then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to turn the heat off. I'm just going to stir this up so it's nice and incorporated. Oh, and it also, some people may be like, I don't know if I like clams or not. Well, I tell you, it's really not, it's not fishy tasting.
Not at all. It's great,
We made it for some, actually my mom and dad came over the other day.
And your mother does not like fish.
No, she does not. And my dad.
Fishy fish.
Yeah, and my dad is not a huge seafood eater, but he'll try it. And he ate it, and he said, I don't think I would have known that there was clams in that.
It's so good and buttery and delicious.
I know, it really is.
While you're doing that, I'm going to grease my pan.
Spray just use some cooking. You're going to typically use like an 8 by 10 pan or a dish about that size that you can bake this in, okay? All right, now let's do the old transfer here.
You got it.
See if I can do this without making it go all over.
You do it.
So do you know why that you should never ask a clam for help?
No.
Well, they're known to be a little shellfish. Okay, now spread that on out.
Yes,
just spread it.
I'm spreading it.
Okay, you don't have to be so delicate. Just spread it.
I'm spreading.
Okay, and then we've got our oven preheated to 350 degrees, and it's just going to bake for 20 minutes until it gets nice and kind of crunchy on top. If it's not enough brown the way you like it, which we like it kind of brown, then what I do sometimes is I just stick it under the broiler for like a minute, but you got to watch it because it'll burn.
Yeah.
And then that's it. You're ready to eat.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's awesome.
Let's do it.
Yay!
All right. See you in a bit.
Quit being so shellfish.
Okay, look, that was so easy. We have this beautiful.
Gorgeous.
We took it out of the oven because, we don't like to burn the loon's mouth, even though it's fun to watch.
Yeah.
So we let this go for 20 minutes. Like I said, I like it to, see how it just kind of gets like a little crispy on top. I just stuck it under the broiler for a couple minutes.
So you did the 20 minutes and then you put it in the broiler?
Just to brown it on top a little bit. I like that kind of crispy topping. And that's all there is to it, folks.
And then we got a baguette and we just cut it up into little slices and toasted it. We brushed some olive oil on it and toasted them up. So now we're ready to eat something.
Yeah, this is such a great, party. Whenever we can have a party again, but for the big game, it's awesome.
I just like to get my spoon in here.
It's so
do that.
yummy.
Get that on there. Oh, yum.
Yes.
Look at that.
Okay.
Ooh-wee.
I'll make you another one.
Make me another one, please.
Okay, now
Look at that.
It's great. And those vegetables are just so good. And the clam.
Oh, yeah. I like to do a little more hot sauce on mine.
He likes to spice things up a little bit.
Just a little drizzle. Oh,
so
yes.
good. You could also serve these with just like, you know, crackers, club crackers. They're great with celery in it. Well, it's already got celery in it, but I mean, okay.
Yay.
Yay. Hopefully we're going to have a touchdown. Yeah. Aren't they so yummy?
I'm losing some of that.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just this really delicious dip.
I know. It's such a great dip. And it's not, I mean, the crab, I keep saying crab. I'm not making crab dip. I'm making clam dip. Anyway.
Wow.
It's not overly clammy,
No,
right? Like
no,
you can
not at all.
You can sometimes be.
Wow. I want to eat that whole thing.
I know. You could sit here and literally just eat it by the spoonful.
That is totally 100% Loon approved.
Yes. All right, I'm
I'm saying that with my mouth full.
Well, we all saw that.
Isn't it great?
Oh my gosh. You serve this at your next party, you'll be a big hit.
Yeah, you can use some club crackers or something like that.
Let me tell you, people will be clamoring for the recipe.
So you can get that recipe on howtobealoon.com.
Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it.
Mm,
So
right.
go to, we're eating one. These things are so crunchy. Go to our social media. Like us, share us, do all of that stuff. And tell your friends about clam dip because I'm telling you,
Makes everybody happy.
it is. It's clamtastic. All right, y'all. Bye.
Bye.
Have fun. We love you.
I'm trying not to let you see the inside of my mouth.
Well, too late. Hey, everybody.
Hi, guys. Now, if you want to be a part of the Loon fun, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit that little bell icon so you won't miss a single recipe.
That's right. Oh, and speaking of recipes, if you want another amazing recipe like this, then just click right here.
Yeah, click.
Click.
Subscribe.
It's so much fun.